स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट, फैंटास्टिक प्रोसीड्यूर। आपने बोला था ना अब की बार 400 पार बोला था, खेल शुरू हो गया था सर, खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना, खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर, चू कित कित भी खेल है, चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में, कित 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 कितना हुआ 240, वो गेम में भी हारा गया। इधर सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहे। एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख सर, हम इसलिए आपको, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे। गुड एक्टर्स भी आया लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर, आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में। Now said, people of this, remember your attitude towards opposition. You could not fulfill your promise, whatever you made in every field, either in मन की बात और in दिल की बात। मोदी जी का गारंटी है, लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है साहब। पब्लिक there is no warranty, गारंटी है लेकिन वारंटी नहीं है। Sir, please keep in mind, I am addressing you, please keep in mind, sir, that NDA government, this NDA government got secured around 48.86% vote, including 8.3% in NDA. Total is 48.86%. And what is the India got? This India got blocked. This India got bloc secured 51.14% vote. Remember, sir. Sir, yes. Sir, there is a change. Of course, suddenly there is a change in the country itself. What the Honorable President of India has said. What has been done, you know? Change is this. There is an unstable government and other side is a strong opposition in the country. हर पल, हर दिन, हर पल याद रखना होगा, हम लोग अनस्टेबल हो और वो लोग इंडिया ब्लॉक ज्यादा स्टेबल है, ज्यादा सख्त है। मेरा जो वक्तव्य हम रखेंगे इधर, जो हम बोलेंगे इधर, सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट में नहीं, पार्लियामेंट के बाहर भी लड़ाई चलेगा, पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई चलेगा और ज्यादा दिन नहीं रहेंगे। सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उत्तर प्रदेश के इलेक्शन होने दीजिए, उनका बाद 1.5 बरस में साफ हो जाएगा इस गवर्नमेंट को, कोई नहीं सकता है। सर, इन आवर कंट्री,
आप लोग किधर बैठे हम लोग किधर बैठे?
हाँ सर, एक्सेप्टिंग द इमरजेंसी डेज, never any prime minister misused his or her power for targeting the opposition leader by using ED and CBI like this government which has been happening. You are claiming a stable government. Sir, what we want, we are habituated to see. What we are habituated to see, Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, is coming here, entering into the parliament, standing in his stand, standing in his feet. He is delivering this speech with all confidence. Now what we see? Now we see that the Prime Minister is entering into the parliament with a two crutch. One crutch is Nitish ji ka party, another crutch is Naidu Babu ka party. Two crutch leke chalta hai, और two crutch leke all over the India he will be moving around. Not only India, internationally he will be moving around. Earlier we have seen him, our Prime Minister, who was having so much confidence on him. Today he is not having that confidence on him. This is his head. Where? Said, always you have blamed us. Always you have blamed us that the corrupted leaders assembled and created opposition bloc of India Alliance. That is the allegations against us. All the time Modi ji has said it. Today also he will say this thing. But I have a simple question. Modi ji, What about Chandrasekhar Naidu? Chandrababu Naidu? What about Ajit Pawar? What about Prafulla Patel? Did CBI and ED arrested him? Chandrababu Naidu? Whether this case is still pending?
जो सदस्य यहाँ के मेंबर नहीं है
नहीं ठीक
उनके हमारा
है,
नाम
चलिए
बताओ।
टीडीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है, एनसीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है। आप जो बोल रहे हैं आप चेंज कर दे। आर दे नॉट corrupted? Whether the TDP top leader was not arrested by the ED CBI, by last government itself, he has become, sir, he has become now honest. हाँ, वॉशिंग मशीन में कैसा क्लीन हो गया देखिए बीजेपी का साथ रहने के बाद, ऐसा क्लीन हो गया। नाउ what a political compulsion is having, what a political compulsion, नरेंद्र मोदी जी, what a फेट देखिए क्या पॉलिटिकल कंपल्सन है। आपको भी डिसऑनेस्ट करप्ट लीडर्स के लेके सरकार बनाना पड़ता है, यही फेट है, फेट। सर, in May 2024, during the course of the conduct of the general election to the Lok Sabha, Shri Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji gave television interviews as part of their political campaign and asked people to buy shares before 4th June 2024. Amit Shah ji said, quote, "You can buy before June 4. This market will shoot up," unquote. The stock market crashed spectacularly after the declaration of results on 4th June, leading to a heavy losses of around rupees 31 lakh crores of the investors. This modus operandi of this was that all the Godi media predicted more than 356 BJP seats led India in exit poll. All that Godi media predicted inflated results for BJP almost in all states, and in our states claimed BJP would bag 29 to 31 seats, where results shows only 12 seats. Because of the prediction of the Godi media in the exit poll, the stock market saw an unprecedented rally on 3rd June. It is also important that the agency Axis My India was also hired by the BJP to conduct election survey for the party. Sir, BJP party, sir, do you know? Since you have not asked me not to take any name, I will not take name. But wife of topmost leader of the TDP earned 521 crores within one day because of crashing of the stock exchange. Who will conduct? Who will conduct now investigation? Who will conduct? No investigation, because they are on that side. No, in the presidential speech, it has been written at serial number 3. This has happened, sir. 25 minutes hai mera. No, sir. Please allow me, sir. Please allow me. It has happened after 6 decades, sir. Every day you have this government have interfered with the federal structure of the state. You want to run this country disobeying the non-BJP state governments. You have gone to the extent that even in water sharing issues relating to Ganga and Tista rivers have been discussed by you with the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh without having their views and participation of the Honorable Chief Minister of the state of West Bengal. Such unilateral deliberations and discussions without consultation and the opinion of the state government, which is neither acceptable and desirable. Our Honorable CM Mamata Banerjee, by a letter dated 24 June 2024, pointed out such unacceptable and undesirable attitude of the Honorable PM. You have ignored paramount interest of the people of the West Bengal. What the governors are doing? Have they been appointed in the non-BJP states? Is the central government running a parallel government through the governors? When such discussion will take place? We are going on telling these things for last 3 years. Make a discussion on the governance issue in a non-BJP states. What they are doing? 2 MLAs are holding dharna. Do you know what is the reason? Reason is this. They have to come to the governor's house. Sir, listen, sir. Think about President of India ignoring you. Ask the member of parliament, go to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and take oath. What you will feel? Tell me. This is the thing is being done. Sir. This is the thing is being done. This is a ridiculous. Sir, 3 bills, the act, Sangeeta, it has been brought without discussion. That time you have suspended us 140 MPs. We were outside. No discussion from our side. A big claim, colonial law is being replaced. Very good. Very good. I have no objection. But why? In these laws, 90% provisions in toto have been made in this old. Some cosmetic changes are in the new laws. Cosmetic changes. Title has been changed. You have got enough time to give in completely new codes. When man like Mr. Bhupen Yadav is there, he was a chairman of the Law Standing Committee for 5 years. I worked with him, very nice man. I worked with him. Why so many lawyers are there? Why you could not brought? दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आया जे नया लॉ के लेके? अभी तो आप ब्रिटिश लॉ के लेके चल रहे हैं. 90% provisions of the British laws, and title is only the Hindi Sanskritic title. Are you claiming that you have brought a new law in this country itself? Sir, हमको तो बहुत कुछ बोलना था. आप तो कैसे क्यों इतना रूठ गया मेरा ऊपर? आज आप हमारा ऊपर बहुत रूठ गया. क्यों? सर, just I will give 3 or 4 data, then I will stop it. I am for you only. I am really. क्या करेगा सर? आपको ना नहीं बोलना सकता. यही मेरा दिक्कत है. I can say my wife no, but I cannot say you no. That's the whole problem of mine. Sir, global competitive index ranking out of 141 countries. 2014, it was 60. 2019, it was 68. 2023, it has gone down to 65. GDP growth, 7.41%, 3.74%, 7.6%. India's foreign loan. 2014, it was 446.2 billion US dollar. 2019, 543.1 billion US dollar. And 2023, 663.8 billion US dollars. You have gone there. आप लोग बहुत महिला के लिए बोलते हैं ना? कब गया? कब मणिपुर गया? अरे बसीरहाट के लिए तो बहुत कुछ बोला है. 3 लाख से वोट से ज्यादा से जीता. संदेशखाली के लिए तो बहुत से बोला है. रेखा जी को तो फोन करके बोला उधर खड़ा हो जाइए. एक बार नहीं गया. क्या प्रहलाद जोशी जी? एक बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर कोई वुमेन अफेक्टेड वुमेन को फोन करने नहीं बोलने सकता था? बेटी, तू देश का बेटिया है, तू मेरा बेटिया है, हम तुझको देखेंगे. ये बात बोलने नहीं सका. सर, the women crime against women reported per lakh of population in the country. 2014, 56.3. 2019, 66.4. 2023, 75.8% in the country. Total number of crimes against women, just 1 minute. Total number of crimes against women, 3,37,922. 2019, 3,70,503. 2023, 4,45,000. थोड़ा शेड्यूल कास्ट का बारे में सुन लीजिए. बहुत से शेड्यूल कास्ट का शेड्यूल टाइप के लिए रोते हैं. Crime against SC people, 2040, 40,401. 2019, 45,961. 2023, 57,522. Crime against ST people, 6,827. 2014, 2019, 7,570. 2020, 10,064. सर, आप हमको अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया. I am so grateful to you.
आपकी पार्टी का समय इतना ही दिया मैंने, ज्यादा नहीं दिया।
अच्छा और फिर है मेरा और 5 मिनट
अभी
है।
समय लेकिन एक और
मेरा
वक्ता
और
है।
5 मिनट है तो
नहीं नहीं, आपका नहीं, एक वक्ता हो रहा है।
नहीं, 5 मिनट है तो आप बोल दीजिए, बोलने दीजिए ना सर। तो आप जो बोलेंगे हम बैठ जाएंगे,
Please.
आप जो बोलेंगे।
प्लीज प्लीज।
थैंक यू सर, आई एम कंक्लूडिंग, आई एक्सटेंडिंग। सर हम कुछ नहीं मांगते हैं, मांगने का कुछ नहीं है, जो है लड़ाई करके लड़के ले लेंगे, लेकिन थोड़ा प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब को बोलिए ऑपोजिशन का तरफ थोड़ा पोलाइट हो जाइए, पोलाइट हो जाइए। कैसे वो नींद में जाते हैं, इतना वेंजेंस लेके, इतना खिलाफ लेके, इतना नफरत लेके, ऑपोजिशन के लेके, इतना नफरत कैसे नींद में चला जाता है। थैंक यू सर।